Good morning, this is Nick from Hogan's Alley Paintball. Today I'm going to walk you through how to change the bottom line adapter on a Spyder Xtra. First thing we're going to do is we're going to take the Spyder out and the parts that come with it. In the parts bag, you're going to want to use the middle-sized Allen key, like so. You'll also need an adjustable wrench, possibly, in order to do this. So, take the Allen key, put it in the slot in the bottom, and then unscrew the bottom line screw, place it in front of you. Do the same with the next one, like so. A lot of times these are in hand tight. This one isn't so much, so I'll use the wrench to hold the hose in place while I unscrew the adapter. So if your adapter's bad, now would be the time that you would substitute in your new adapter. The O-ring seals it, so it doesn't have to be crazy tight. Screw it in until you feel that O-ring get nice and snug. You can twist the hose because it swivels here. Line the holes back up. Put the screws back in. You want to snug up both screws. And then use the L side of the wrench to give it some extra tension. Turn the Allen key until you just feel that the Allen key starts to flex under your hand, and that's the appropriate tension until it flexes. And that's it. That's changing the bottom line ASA on your Spyder Xtra.